Alright guys, good morning in the morning. It's the day after the party night and now I'm having a local breakfast right here in Siem Reap, and then I'm going to take you with me on some cool daytime adventures, so stay tuned.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So what we need now is a bike. Hello, hello, hello. I would like to rent a Honda Click for 1 day.
Yeah.
Yes. You remember me?
You run me. Oh, I remember you. You run.
Yes.
You stand wonder. And you?
I need for 1 day only. I bring back 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Maybe 4 o'clock. I give you $5.
Oh, the same, sir. We try the same 1 day. $8 for you.
Yes, but I not need 1 day. I need half day.
Half day the same.
$6. Last time I give you full tank. Last time full gasoline. You remember?
Not full. 3.
No, no. I give you $6, huh?
7.
Six.
Where you want to go?
Just same. Alright guys, some of you might have the problem while solo traveling. They don't know how to spend their daytime. So I'm going to show you now how I spend my daytime while solo traveling, and maybe you get inspired. So after the Cambodian breakfast, we're gonna get some German breakfast, and we also taking some Coke because we're gonna now make some new friends, and I think they're thirsty too, so we just grabbing anything here. So now we're good to go. We have some Deutsches beer and we paid for the whole bag exactly $6.66. What a funny number. All right, so what we're doing now, I was doing last week already, and it was so great that I bought the GoPro after this weekend, and I thought about
I found her earlier than expected laughing face. Last Sunday I brought some drinks to the river and asked the locals if I can join them fishing. On my way home I met a fishing girl and talked with her for 30 minutes. Her English was so good and she was so friendly that I wanted to meet her again. I did not have her number, her Facebook or anything. I could remember where her house was, and she told me she studies Monday to Saturday and is only home Sundays. So this Sunday I was hoping to find her again, and this is what happened.
hello, I'm back. How are you? Yes. Yes, I will have a seat. Thank you. How are you? Huh? Yes. I brought some drinks. You want some drinks? Yes. Yes, you can take her, but no beer.
Under 18.
Yes, your brother, you told me last week.
Yeah.
Yes. You want some? Yes, we go fishing now, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, I come here for fishing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chirio, you want to go with us? Go with me.
Oh yes, but where you go?
Chirio Province.
You want something to drink?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I bought. Just take. Yes. Take.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to eat? You know what this is?
Yes, I will try one. Absolutely, it's mussel, huh?
Yeah. Try it.
How do I eat it?
Yeah. Yeah. Let my sister.
Oh, open for me. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Is it from this one? From this river?
No.
From the ocean?
The market.
Oh,
Market. We buy it from market.
Okay, huh? Oh, it's yes, okay. Yeah. Yes, good, huh? You show me fishing.
You don't know how to.
Yes, I know everything. When I young, I fish every day. Same him. But I want to see if you have only stick or like real rod.
No, I have the simple one that we buy at the market like this. And
Oh yes.
and we have to buy 2 more for my
Hello.
nothing this one now.
Yes, it's really good. Yes.
Here, wait. I want to show you. Here.
Oh wow. Yes, really good.
I have to buy this more for you and my sister.
Today we're gonna catch this?
Yes.
Yes, really good. Ooh. But very small, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. So does the fish taste better here than from the river?
Yeah, better.
No, for eat better?
Yeah.
In river not so good?
The in front the house, the fish not good. Like they take a brush like plastic in here. Ooh. It's not good. It's very dirty.
Yes,
But
yes.
in here I think it's good.
Something's biting. Yes, come on. It's too small. Holy shit, it's too small. Yes. Yes! Finally, we got the fish. Holy shit! So small. Yes, so many, huh? Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, you're good. Awesome. You fishing, huh?
Oh, right.
Yes. Oh, you have fish? Nah.
Oh, try.
Yes, I try. You want some drink?
Yeah.
Beer.
Okay.
Come here.
Yeah, come here. Mau sini ya.
What do you want?
Mau sini. Ada yang pot try, yang pot đây.
Beer?
Beer.
Beer. Whoa. Energy, beer. Beer, energy. Beer, energy. What do you want?
Thank you.
You welcome. Huh? You want more?
Yeah.
My friend here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I want fishing, huh? Thank you. Thank you.
Can you
No.
ra trên nó Nga xin cho ai vậy? Đó. Vâng. Hả?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Trừ.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
thank you,
try.
thank you.
Ano trừ?
Oh, have already. Wow, really good. Yeah. Oh, and one crab. Yes, really good. Thank you, thank you.
Where are you from?
From Germany. German. Bayern München. Borussia Dortmund, you know? You how old? How old are you?
Oh, 22.
Oh, 22, really good, yes.
And you?
25.
Oh, đây sinh năm
Yes. Little fun fact, how much you're paying for the shirts here. Starting at 50 cents to $2. So it's so cheap in Cambodia, it's so cheap. And here's my nice Honda Click.